college students are making.
Right, and money is, kind of in short supply once you get to college, right? You got to kind of count every penny. You might have financial aid, or maybe your parents are helping you out. Jeff Bangerter with Bangerter Financial Services is here. He's also a state registered investment advisor with some of the mistakes that college kids are making and maybe how to avoid them. Right.
Yes, number one is drowning in debt. 4 out of 5 college students have to work part-time while they go to school. I know when I was going to school, I actually washed taxi cabs, and I'll admit some of that money slipped through my fingers a little bit. But it's the attitude of not really paying attention and not accounting for the money that causes the average student to have about $900 of credit card debt. And if they only make minimum payments, they'll be paying for that thing for 10 years.
Right, not to mention, just the debt for tuition and loans and things that just starts to accrue over the course of your 4 years or more in college.
Absolutely. Well, and the second thing is they, again, just don't do things that they should, like they end up paying penalties. And actually, think about the amount of books you could buy with $795 million.
That's a lot.
That's the amount every year that students get charged for like bank draft, overdraft fees where they're just not paying on time. And in today's smartphone world, you could set up an overdraft alert with your bank. I actually just was messing around with it last night and I set one up. As soon as I logged in on my phone, it took like 2 seconds.
Right, or even if your balance gets to be below a certain point. I know, I can't tell you how many times I went to the emergency $50 withdrawal fund at my college just to get that $50 just to tide me over until the next check came in. It's good to remember that. Number 3, spoiling your score. You're talking about your credit score?
Yeah, your credit score, it's so important, the credit score. It helps you get a loan, obviously, that's going to be very important. Even just getting a lease on an apartment, you got to have a decent credit score. And so it's important that these college students know how they need to make sure they make their payments on time. And if they can pay off their credit card every month in full, even better.
I know.
And, everybody's entitled to get 1 free credit report per year. And so I have a link on my website at bangerterfinancial.com where they can get their free credit report and see how they're doing.
And I know it's tough as we begin to get older, you realize the benefit of thinking down the road, but you don't want to set up yourself for bad credit when you're just barely, not even quite to your 20s.
Yeah, absolutely.
You want to make sure that you pay good attention to that. Number 4, falling for fraud.
Yeah, there's actually, unfortunately, college students are targets for fraud, and they're usually to deal with the college loans. And so there's several that are out there. One is, we'll get you a low interest rate, but you got to pay to get the low interest rate. Don't do business with those people. Or debt consolidation when you finish college might be a good idea, but you shouldn't pay a fee to get debt consolidation. That should just be part of the transaction. And then there's also debt relief where they'll say, oh, we're going to reduce how much you owe. Well, you have to have a federal qualifying event, and those are pretty stiff, like death and permanent disability. So that's not going to happen either. Those people are scammers. So just be careful. Be
careful. And last but not least, tuning out tuition.
Yeah, about half of the freshmen, really can't tell you how much they're spending on college within a $5,000 range. And so they just get excited about maybe the reputation of the school that they're going to, and they end up taking on a lot more debt than they should. And so they should really take a look at maybe a less expensive school, or, really just taking a look at staying in state will save them about $100,000 in total costs.
What I remember is that going out of state was about, 3 times as expensive as just staying in. And your state school might not have the big reputation, but what I recall is once I got working, nobody cared.
Right.
Where I went to school.
And I think that's really the key is to, remember that it's really just about getting the education, not whose name is on the diploma.
There are excellent schools right here in California, kids. Excellent schools. Thank you, Jeff. Nice to see you. And we'll link Jeff's website to ours on gooddaysacramento.com under show info and today's date there at the top of our homepage. Nice to see you as always.
Thank you.
Thanks. Ken, back to you.
Thank you.